Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use Visual Studio to add application insights to your project. We're going to use application insights hosted in Azure. You have two versions, you have the one hosted locally, you have the one hosted in Azure. We're going to choose the one that's hosted in Azure. First we go to Visual Studio. I already have opened my project, and then we go to the web app we want to use application insights for. Click on it. We click on Configure Application Insights. It asks us if we want to do the local version or the one in Azure. We're going to choose the one in Azure. Click on Next. It will read all the Application Insights instances we have. For now, I'm going to choose this one, Good Bakery. As you can see, it already have in the background, it got the key. And now it's going to put the key in a local user secret file. We click on Next. It asks us for, hey, do you want application insights for everything or just some parts only the code? For now, I'm just going to keep everything on. And we click on Finished. It takes like a half minute or something like that. As you see, it's finished and it's closed. For now, for testing purposes, I'm going to run the web app once to get some data results in our application insights. You can see web app is running. We did some requests. We went to 2 or 3 pages. Well, that will be enough. Now we'll go. Now we need to check the data. Click on here. Click on Manage in Azure Portal. This will go to our application insights part. And as you can see, we do see some server requests coming in. You can click on it. As you see, it shows us the requests that were made to our web app. So, that was all. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day.